In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The G7 SE is a wired controller designed by GameSir primarily for Xbox consoles, so it is going to work flawlessly with the Xbox One. It can also be connected to newer gen Xbox Series X or S and even a PC. So to do this, first grab the cable included with your controller. You will plug one end of the cable into the controller itself, so apply a lot of force. Many users have reported that you need to really shove this end of the cable into the controller, so don't be afraid and ensure that the connection has been established very snugly. They do this because they don't want the cable to slip off during gameplay. Now, the other end of the cable, usually USB-A, will go into your PC or Xbox console. In this example, the Xbox One. There is no secret to this, so find an available USB port and plug in your GameSir G7 SE. This controller is plug and play, so as soon as you establish the USB connection, it should power on and you will be able to use it. So you can try pressing the Xbox button to be sure. And if it is still not working, first restart the console and next try double checking the cable because like I mentioned before, you do need to apply a lot of force. Once everything has been set up and you power it up by pressing the Xbox button, or if powers on automatically, you will be good to go. There is no secret to this. It will remain connected over a cable and you can play any compatible game on your console or a PC. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.